Are you trying to send money with Zelle, but it's not working on your bank app? Here are the top quick fixes you can try right now. Check your internet connection. Slow Wi-Fi or weak mobile data can cause instant failures. Switch networks or toggle airplane mode to refresh your connection. Update your bank app. An outdated version may block Zelle from loading or completing transfers. Verify your account details. Make sure your email or phone number is correctly linked to Zelle. Incorrect details are one of the most common causes of failed payments. Check for bank-specific issues. Your bank might be undergoing maintenance or facing a temporary outage. Clear your app cache and data. This removes bugs, glitches, and old session errors that block Zelle. Contact your bank's customer support. If your account is restricted or needs verification, the bank must fix it. If Zelle still isn't working, try alternatives like Cash App, PayPal, or Venmo. For more detailed fixes and tech guides, visit HUMANITYUAPD.com.